Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a clear, step-by-step plan on how to learn English in just 6 months. Yes, 6 months is possible if you are consistent, focused, and use the right methods. In this video, we'll talk about how to build your vocabulary, improve your listening, practice speaking every day, and create habits that make learning fast and fun. By the end of this lesson, you will have a roadmap that can take you from beginner to confident English speaker in half a year. So, grab your notebook, stay with me until the end, and let's begin this exciting journey together. Welcome to Part 1. The first month is about building your English foundation. Think of this month as preparing the ground before you plant the tree. If you do it right, your progress in the next months will be much faster. 1. Focus on daily vocabulary. In the first month, you need to learn basic, high-frequency words. These are words you use every day: eat, drink, go, come, happy, sad, today, tomorrow. Your goal is to learn 15 to 20 new words every day. Don't just read them, use them in a sentence. Example: I drink water. I am happy today. By the end of 1 month, you will know 450 to 600 useful words, enough to start simple conversations. 2. Listen every day. Listening is very important. In the first month, spend 30 minutes every day listening to slow, clear English. You can listen to short podcasts, children's stories, or English learning videos. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on recognizing familiar words and repeating the sounds. 3. Practice speaking out loud. In the first month, don't be shy. Even if your English is not perfect, start speaking out loud. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, describe what you are doing, or read sentences aloud. Example: while cooking, say, I am cooking rice. While walking, say, I am going to the market. Speaking daily will train your mouth to produce English sounds naturally. 4. Short reading practice. Choose simple texts, for example, children's books, news headlines, or dialogues in English learning apps. Read 10 to 15 minutes every day. Underline new words and add them to your vocabulary list. Reading gives you context and helps you remember words faster. 5. Writing a daily journal. Start a small English diary. Every night, write 3 to 5 sentences about your day. Example: today, I went to the gym. I met my friend. I feel tired but happy. Writing daily will improve your memory and give you confidence. 6. Build the habit. The key to success in month 1 is not perfection, it is habit. It is better to study 1 hour every day than to study 5 hours once a week. Create a routine. Morning equals vocabulary review. Afternoon equals listening. Evening equals speaking or writing. Consistency will build momentum. By the end of month 1, you will have 450 plus words in your vocabulary, daily listening and speaking habits, a small English journal, more confidence in using English. This is your foundation. In Part 2, we will move to month 2, where you will start building conversation skills and learning grammar naturally. Welcome to Part 2. Now that you have built a strong foundation in the first month, it's time to move forward. In the second month, your main focus is on developing conversation skills and using English more naturally. Practice common phrases. In real conversations, we don't only use single words, we use phrases. So in month 2, start learning and practicing useful phrases for everyday situations. Examples. How's it going? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. That sounds great. Make a list of 10 phrases every week. Practice them daily until they feel automatic. Start speaking with others. It's time to practice with real people. Find a language partner, a friend who is also learning English, or join online conversation groups. If you cannot find a partner, use apps or websites where you can talk to English speakers. Try to speak at least 10 minutes every day. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Focus on communication. Listening with purpose. In month 1, you listened just to get used to the sounds. Now, in month 2, you should listen with a purpose. Choose short audio clips or videos, 2 to 5 minutes. Listen 2 or 3 times. First time, just listen. Second time, write down key words. Third time, repeat the sentences out loud. This will improve your listening comprehension and pronunciation at the same time. Learn basic grammar naturally. Don't start with heavy grammar books. Instead, learn grammar through examples. Focus on these simple structures in month 2. Present tense. I eat rice. Past tense. I ate rice yesterday. Future tense. I will eat rice tomorrow. Practice making 5 to 10 sentences every day using these patterns. This way, grammar becomes practical, not boring. Expand vocabulary with context. In month 1, you learned single words. Now, focus on word groups and context. Example. Instead of learning just the word book, learn read a book, borrow a book, buy a book. This will help you sound more natural in conversations. Role-play conversations. Pretend you're in real-life situations and practice the dialogue. Examples. At the restaurant. Can I see the menu? At the bus station. What time does the bus leave? Meeting someone new. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Practice these role plays alone or with a partner. This prepares you for real conversations. By the end of month 2, you will be able to use 80 to 100 common phrases confidently. Speak for 10 to 15 minutes without stopping. Understand simple conversations and videos. Use basic grammar naturally in sentences. Congratulations! You are no longer just learning words, you are communicating in English. Welcome to part 3. You now have a good foundation from month 1 and conversation skills from month 2. In month 3, your focus is on fluency and confidence. This means speaking more naturally without fear or long pauses. 1. Think in English. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is always translating from their language into English. This slows you down. In month 3, start training yourself to think in English directly. For example, instead of thinking, "Ana achan," then translating to, "I am thirsty." Train your brain to think immediately in English. I am thirsty. How? Look around your room and describe what you see in English. Example, this is my phone. The window is open. I am sitting on a chair. This daily habit will reduce translation time and improve fluency. 2. Daily speaking practice. 15 to 20 minutes. By month 3, increase your speaking practice to 15 to 20 minutes a day. You can talk with a partner, record your voice, or use online speaking groups. If you don't have a partner, do self-talk. Describe your day. This morning, I woke up at 7. Then I had breakfast. Talk about your plans. Tomorrow, I will meet my friend. We will play football. The goal is to speak longer without stopping. 3. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful method for fluency. Choose a short video or audio in English. Play a sentence, then immediately repeat it at the same speed and intonation as the speaker. Example, if the speaker says, "What are you doing today?" you copy exactly, "What are you doing today?" This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Practice shadowing for 10 minutes every day. 4. Confidence through small wins. Confidence comes from success, so in month 3, set small goals. Order food in English. Write a comment on YouTube in English. Introduce yourself in English to a stranger online. Each success makes you feel stronger. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid of them. 5. Listening to natural English. Now, start listening to real English, not only slow English. Watch TV shows, YouTube videos, or movies with subtitles. At first, you may not understand everything, and that's okay. Focus on the main idea, not every single word. This will train your ear for real conversations. 6. Build longer sentences. In the first 2 months, you practiced short sentences. Now, learn to connect ideas. Example. Short. I like football. I play every weekend. Longer. I like football because it makes me happy, and I play every weekend with my friends. This skill will make your speaking sound natural and fluent. By the end of month 3, you will be able to think in English without always translating. Speak for 20 minutes confidently. Copy native speakers' pronunciation and rhythm. Understand the main ideas of real conversations and shows. Build longer and more natural sentences. You are now halfway through the journey. In part 4, we will move to month 4, expanding your skills, reading more, writing more, and using English in different situations.